Hello children, welcome to your e-learning class. Today I will teach value education. Last day I have given you the introduction. Look at this book and please go to the first chapter. First chapter, Ali runs for rules. And rules. Last I have told you what are rules. Look, when you are in the school, if we are asking question, if everybody knows, you are telling that ma'am, will I tell, ma'am, will I tell, but we are not telling. We are telling that please raise your hand. So everybody sometimes raising your hand and sometimes someone is raising. So please look at this picture. Look at Deepa. Children, always raise your hand when you want to speak in class. When you want to speak. If you are speaking, means if you want to ask the question to me also, you have to raise your hand. Second one, always cross the road at the zebra crossing. This is last time you have read the rules. That rules, which rules? Safety rules. Safety rules, you know that? We should always cross at the zebra crossing. Next, when you are in the park, your friend is also going, another girl is also coming, another boy is also coming. So, if everybody is going together, so nobody will get. There is a chaos. So here, I should wait for my turn. Everybody will stand in a line, one by one will go. Next one, I should ask my friend before playing with a doll. If you go to your friend's house or sometime coming to school also, if you want something from your friend, you should ask first, can I have it? Or you will request that please can you give it to me? May I have it? Like this. So this is the rules. So first chapter. This is also a story of rule. So Ali's grandfather is not well. He is in the hospital. Please read with me. Look and please read with me. From first line again I am reading. Ali's grandfather is not well. He is in hospital. He is sick. Ali's father is going to visit him. May I come to father? Ask Ali. But don't you have your football practice today? Ask father. Father is asking to his son that if you are having the practice for the playing football, so how you will go? So you can drop me at the football field after we meet grandfather, says Ali. Ali also told that after meeting his grandfather, he can come to the practice. While driving, father's mobile starts ringing. Father moves the car to the side on the road and then stops. Then he talks on his phone. This is also a rule. After just stopping his car, he talked with his mobile. Because while driving, anyone should not talk with his mobile. Because if he talks in his mobile while driving, he can collide, he can get accident, he can do accident just with another car. So here he stops his car after he talks on his phone. After that, when he finishes his call, Ali asks, Father, why did you stop the car to take the call? Father replies, this is the rule we follow while driving on the road. So while driving on the road, we should not talk in our mobile. If we talk on the phone while driving, we cannot drive safely. So this is our rule. This is a good rule. When they reach the hospital, they stand in a queue to get an entry pass. They are making one line, means they are in a queue. Because the hospital also has a rule and we should maintain the rule. Why can't we just go inside? Asked Ali. Father replies, because we need to follow the rules of hospital. So everywhere there is a rule. After meeting grandfather, father drives Ali to the football field. Father stops at the traffic light as it turns red. Just know, I think, do you remember, no? Last year I told you the EVS and science also you have read about the traffic rules. So, 3 lights are there, red, green, yellow. You have read that red means stop, yellow means slow and green means just go. So, here yellow means wait or making slow. So, here father stops at the traffic light as it turns red. Father, I'll be late for my practice. Please drive through, Ali requests. No, Ali, traffic rules are for our own safety, says father. If I drive through the red light, I'll be breaking the rules of the road. If I break the rules of the road, there might be an accident, he explains. It is obvious that if anybody breaks the rule, if it is traffic rules or if it is another rule, safety rule, so there also we cannot make safe to us. So always we are safe if we always maintain the rule, if it is safety rule or it is traffic rule. So we should not break the rules. Ali understands that rules are very important. He reaches football field 10 minutes late. But he was late. Ali, you are late. Run around the field, says the football coach. Now Ali, do you understand why rules are important? Asked Dad, looking at Ali. Yes, father, says Ali with a smile. He begins his run. Father smiles too. So here, 3 rules you have learned. First one, you know that while driving, anyone should not talk with mobile. After that, safety rules or rule of a hospitals. We should stand in a queue when we are going to entry or to the hospital. Enter to the hospital. Actually, everywhere. If you are coming to school also, we should maintain some rule. You know that you are coming to school, sometime first you are going to assembly, after that, just after finishing the assembly, you are coming in a line to the class, then after you will sit, you are just there, you are starting your class. Do you remember all these things? I think you are always remembering and you are missing all this class. After that, another rule, traffic rule. There, his father does not break the traffic rules. If he breaks the traffic rules, he will get some accident. After again that at last Ali was late for his football practices. So there also he got punishment. That is not punishment. He should learn that everywhere they should maintain the rule. So what is the value, means what is the moral of this story? We should maintain the rule. If we maintain the rule, we should be safe and we should make our life very happy. So I think you have understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.